Hi children, glad to meet you all. How you are? I hope all of you fine. Okay, today we are going to see algebra. What is it? Algebra. It is in algebra there are two parts. One is equality, another one is an inequality. One is equality, another one is inequality. What is equality, ma? Before that, we are going to see what is algebra, no? Yeah, algebra means solving the equation by using numbers and letters. Okay, we can do the different types of calculations by using numbers and also by using the letters. So then we are going to see now parts of algebra. So first one is equality. What is it? What is it? Equality. Equality means what, ma? By using different types of numbers or different types of sums. Different types of sums, if you are using means also we need to get the same answer. Okay? When we using different types of sums, we need to get the same answer. It is called equality. For example, we can do many problems. First one is 1 plus 5. For example, we are taking 1 plus 5. Okay, is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 12 divided by 2. Okay, just see the sum. 1 plus 5 is equal to what? 6 is equal to 7 minus 1 what? 6 is equal to 3 into 2 what? 6 is equal to 12 divided by 2 what? It also 6. So by doing different types of calculation or manipulation, we need to get the same answer. Then it is called as a equality. Okay, what is it? Equality. This is the thing. Okay, by using different types of calculation, if we got the same numbers as the answer is called as a equality. Okay, this means first just look the equation. Let us find the pairs of such numbers. Pairs means what, ma? 2. What is it? 2 only, no pair. Yeah, pair of shoes or pair of sharks. That means what? 2 shoes, 2 sharks and all we will see, no? That is called a pair. Okay? So pairs. If we need to find, now we are going to find the pairs of this number. Okay? Shall we see? They could be like this. Just look. 1 plus 5 is equal to what? 6. Next. Come on. 7 minus 1 is equal to what? It also 6. Come on. 3 asterisk 2 is equal to what, ma? It also the same 6. Comma 12 divided by 2 is equal to what? It also the same 6. So if we need to find the pairs means what we need to do? We need to put a bracket like this. What is it? Bracket. So if we need to find the pairs, we need to put a bracket and we need to show us differently. Okay, this means first look, ma. So 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 means what? 1 plus 5 means what, ma? 1 plus 5 means adding, we know that already. Adding 1 plus 5. It is a simple addition only now. So it is 6. So the same way 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 means a number obtained subtraction. Okay, we need to subtract 1 from 7. Okay, we are going to subtracting 1 from 7. What we are doing here? We are subtracting 1 from 7. So, if what we will get? We will get the same answer, 6. Next. And also what is the expression? 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Here we are multiplying by 2. Okay? We are multiplying the 3 by 2. Here. Multiplying 3 by 2. And also what is the last expression? 12 divided by 2. So what we are doing? We are dividing the 12 by 2. That is the thing. Okay. It is called as a equality. Just look once again. Equality means what? By doing different operation, we need to get the same answer. It is called equality. So for example, we have taken 5 plus 1 is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 1. 3 into 2 is equal to 12 divided by 2. Okay. Next, what are the things it is? It is different types of numbers, different types of operation too. But what we got here? We got the same answer. What we got? The 6. 6 is the same answer. So it is called as a equality. Okay. Now there could be a. Now we are going to find the sets. What is it? Sets. Sets means what? We have different operations now. So set means adding two numbers or making a pairs. Okay. Sets means what? Pairs. So we are going to make a pair. Just look here. We no need to do anything. We are going to make a bracket on it. Okay. Just look. 1 plus 5, comma, bracket, open bracket, 7 minus 1, comma, 3 into 2, comma, 12 divided by 2. These are the sets. It is one set, it is one pair, it is one pair, it is one pair. Pair and set, both are same only. Okay. Next, look here. It is this expression adding 5 plus 6. This expression subtracting 1 from 7. This expression multiplying 3 by 2. Next, this expression what you will do? Divide. Divide 12 by 2. Okay. 12 by 2. It is the simple expressions. Okay. It is called equality. We can write like this. Just look. 1 plus 5 is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 3 asterisk 2 is equal to 12 divided by 2. Is it correct or not? Yeah. So it is called as a equality. What is it? It is called equality. What is it? Equality. It is called equality. Okay. What is it? What is equality? By doing multiple or different operations and getting the same answer is called a equality. Okay. Are you all clear with this, children? Okay. Now look the sum. In your book they have given on page number 29 4.1 exercise. Using the bracket, write 3 pairs of numbers whose sum is 12. Okay. Use them to write the 3 equalities. What they are asking? They have given the number 12. So what we have here 6. So we took here 6. So for the same way you are going to do the sums. Okay. 12 with the we need to get the answer 12. Okay. Next, the same way we need to get the 16 also. That both the sums were. Please do by yourself. Okay. Do by yourself and send it to me. Thank you, dears. Yes, now we are going to see inequality. What is it? Inequality. Okay, inequality. Now we are going to see inequality. Okay, what is the difference between equality and inequality, ma? If the different operations were got same answer is called equality, but different equation with different answers is called inequality. Okay, just look the sum. 6 asterisk 2 comma 6 plus 2. If the both the answer will come as the same, 6 into 2 comma 6 plus 2. If the both the answer are equal, no, because 6 into 2 12, 6 plus 2 8. So we can relate both the things. How can we relate it? How can we relate it? You already know relation operators. You have learned in 4th class. Yeah, the same. Greater than or less than symbol. Which one is greater here? 12. Which one is lesser? 8. By using this symbol, we can relate both the answers. Okay, just look. Though both the operations are different and also the answers are different, but we can relate each other. Relate means what? Onnu sambandhapadthi kaatradhu. Okay va? So we can relate each other. Just look. 12 is greater than 8. Which one is greater? 12. The same way, just look the another sum. So 5 into 8. First operation. Second operation. 8 divided by 2. Just look. 5 into 8. Next 8 divided by 2. Which one is greater here? 5 8s are 40. 8 divided by 2, what will get? We will get 4. So which one is greater here? 40 is the greater. Though it is a different operation, but we got the different answer too. But we can relate through this symbol. It is greater, it is lesser. Okay, just look the another example now. So 4 into 5. First operation Another operation is eight into 5. Just look. Here how will you relate it? Just look. 4 into 5, 20. Here 8 into 5, yeah, 40, no? Yeah. So how will you relate both the things? We need to relate. So it is the smaller, it is the higher. So will you put the symbol? No, it is wrong for the here. If you put like this means it is wrong because 40 is greater, 20 is lesser. So what we need to do? We need to put the greater than, 20 is lesser than 40. Okay? It is the greater than symbol. It is the lesser than symbol. Okay? Where? For example, how will you put the greater than mark? Could you able to see? You have seen the cone ice cream now. Yeah, cone ice cream, what they will fill? The open space. If look here, here. Which one is here? Where they will fill the cream? Here only they will fill the cream, no? Is it correct? Yeah, here only because it is the wider space. So they will fill the cream here. If they fill the cream here, what it will happen? It can't be able to get. So this symbol is greater than. This is represent as a smaller than. Just look the same thing. Okay. It is the greater than. So it is the greater value. If you have greater value this side, you need to put this. Suppose if you have greater value that side means you need to put like this. Okay. So like this only. This is the simple example. Okay. Wow? So if you have greater values here, so example 8, it is the 4. So it is correct. Next here 9, here 19. This is only correct. Okay. Just look. Here you look ma. How will you? 4, 19. 4, 19. What symbol will come here? This one? No, because it is the greater value. Greater value we need to get. This side is the greater value, no? So we need to put like this. Okay. So look here. 8, 9. Which one is greater here? 9. So we need to put like this. Okay. This is called a inequality. Though it is a different value or different answer or different operations, but we can relate both the things. Okay. So it is by using the, what are the symbol we are using here? Equal, less than, and greater than. Okay. Next, in your higher classes, you can going to study about more operation like greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Okay, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to you are going to learn in your higher classes. Now we are going to see only this only, equal to, less than, greater than. By using this we are going to find the relationship between the two values. Okay.